This is my favorite part. Well, not. This is one of my favorite parts. Nice picnic. She's like, don't look at me. Well, maybe she was like, look at me. I don't know. I'm awkward with social stuff. Let beauty come out. Let beauty come out of ashes. And I pray to God down ashes. Beauty come out. This is what I do. Drive around dog beaches. That looks like the Full House dog. Comet. I didn't use the crosswalk like I know, so I was trying to be courteous and try. I feel like if you're nice to the people in the cars, they won't run you over. It's a little overcast right now. It's supposed to be nice and sunny out, but it's warm. I'll take that. Nice 90s, 90 degrees. I wonder what this is gonna look like watching it. I don't know, I think more people should get out and do some activities, you know. Don't just dwell on like being a collector and having everything or having the most, because there's people around you that are looking up to you for advice or whatever, and if they're just about that superficial lifestyle, like, working out isn't just about having a nice looking body. It's about being healthy. We all want to be healthy, because when we're healthy, we're happy, and that's not a line. It's the truth. Excuse me. Alright, here's one of my first hills that I really how's it going? My first hills I really love. This one's pretty steep. And I'm doing this while standing up. I never sit down on my bike. just gets easier and easier each time I do this. In through your nose, out through your mouth. I might have to take the hat off. All without stopping. Took the hat off. I multitask. I want to go in here one day, St. Thomas Aquinas Church. One of these days. I just want to see what it looks like. It looks so peaceful in there. Oh shit. Richland convenience store. I like that store. Go there for all my snacks and convenience when I'm over here. Oh my god. Two of them. Alright. We have to share the road. We have to share. Coming up to my next favorite hill. On my road. This is a tough one. You gotta be careful with the cars coming. Oh yeah. And then the view. Oh man, I love that hill. We're going over there. That's where we're going. 7 miles. This area is so beautiful. Anytime I go for a ride over here, this is really like clears my mind. We all need to do more things like that. Just connect with yourself. It's not being selfish. It'll help you connect with other people. Northeastern University. Fake police. Canoeing. They got like airports.